Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the defrost control board in a Maytag refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a 1/4-inch nut driver, and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new defrost control board. The defrost control board is located inside the control console in the fresh food compartment. It basically is an electronic timer that switches the refrigerator from the cooling to the defrost cycles and back. The main reason for its replacement is when it breaks, causing failure of the defrost system or causing the refrigerator not to run at all. Open the fresh food door. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 screws at the bottom of the console. Those are the ones that hold the defrost control board. Using the flat blade screwdriver, pry out the front cover starting in the right corner. Grab the 1/4-inch nut driver and take out the 2 screws at the back of the control console. Then the 2 1/4-inch screws in front. Slowly lower down the console. Using the flat blade screwdriver, remove the wire plugs from the old defrost control board and remove it. Press the locking tabs and disconnect the rest of the plugs. This is the old defrost control board next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Carefully handle the new control board, holding it by the sides only, not touching any parts, because it's very sensitive to electrostatic discharge. Reconnect the wire plugs to the control board. Prepare the screw and the Phillips screwdriver. Put it into the mounting hole, match the holes, and secure the defrost control board to the console. Install the second Phillips screw. Check if everything inside the console is intact and install the console. Secure to the 4 1/4-inch screws, 2 in front and 2 in the back. Place the cover on with the bottom over the edge and push the top in. Close the door and plug the refrigerator in. In case if you had snow built up at the back of the freezer as the result of the defrost system failure, you need to defrost the evaporator coils behind the rear cover. Keep the fridge unplugged for at least 24 hours with both doors open. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.